This is the miracle of artificial intelligence. For the very first time, we have closed the gap. The technology divide has been completely closed. And this is the reason why so many people can engage artificial intelligence. It is the reason why every single government, every single industrial conference, every single company is talking about artificial intelligence today. Because for the very first time, you can imagine everybody in your company being a technologist. This is a tremendous time for all of you to realize that the technology divide has been closed. It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program.
Jarvis, you up?
And that the programming language is human.
30 years ago, we observed that the CPU is really good at many things, but there are some things it's surprisingly ungood at. Parallel things that you could distribute across a large number of processors. And so what we did was we added Nvidia to a CPU. We connected it to a CPU, offload the work that the CPU is not good at. And we run that work insanely fast. But it's very clear that in the future, that general purpose computing, it's like a general purpose almost anything, general purpose instrument of any kind, it's not very efficient. Right. There are many types of things that we want to do very efficiently. Computation of mathematics, we want to do very, very efficiently. And so as a result of doing it efficiently, you drive the cost down. You use less energy. One of our computers, this is our latest generation, this is the chip that goes into it. This is the largest chip the world's ever seen. This is beyond the limits of physics. We had to invent some new technology to make it possible to do this.
How many bits are in?
208 billion transistors. This will cost, $30,000, $40,000.
And how much did you spend to develop?
The very first one, the R&D budget of this generation is probably something like $10 billion.
10 billion, not million. $10 billion. And you deserve the right to be able to recoup that.
Well,
and you're doing it.
Well, we're going to do our very best job. And this computer here,
and the name of that computer?
This is called the Blackwell computer. And this computer here will replace thousands of general purpose computers. This is the part that's incredible. In fact, what's amazing is that the cables of connecting last generation general purpose computers, the cables of connecting them cost more than the price of one of these computers. The amount of energy that we save is incredible. Megawatts and megawatts and megawatts. Because of this, we made it possible for the computer to write software by itself. It is so insanely fast. Now the software can write, the computer could write its own software, and we call that artificial intelligence.
So if that's the case, why do we still need us?
Well, we still have to guide the software. We have to create the algorithms such that the computer can go write software. And that algorithm is called deep learning. Yeah, it's really quite a remarkable thing that happened in the last 12 years.